Caleb, do you want to give away a spot welder? Do you want to give away a spot welder to somebody who's watching? Yeah? Hey guys, Caleb and I want to thank you all for subscribing and liking and sharing my videos. 6 months ago, I think I had 0 subscribers, and just in the last short months, we've gained, now we're up to I think 700 I saw today. So as a thank you, we have a little bit more to go to get there, but yeah, a little more. I want to give away my spot welder. You can see it down there in the corner of the screen on my bench. My bench is a mess. It's been cold and I haven't had time to really clean and do a whole lot out here, but I want to give that to somebody. So if we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will mail that to somebody. You just pay for shipping and it's yours. I have never used it. Well, I've practiced with it a couple times, but it's just not my thing, and I don't think I'm going to be going that route. Yeah, you look at all the stuff. So originally when I bought it, I thought I was going to be doing a lot of homemade modules, and I haven't. I ended up going with just Tesla modules and pretty much everything. So I'll post a link below to that video, and just click on it, watch the video, make sure you're subscribed, and then make a comment saying, I'll take it, and I'll message you. I'll just select one person at random, and we'll work it out, and I'll send it to you. And then you can have the spot welder. Bye-byes? Yeah, there's a truck. Truck just went by. There you go. That's new, by the way. He just started doing that as of like 5 minutes ago. Another truck. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and if you feel like it, you can share them. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys. See ya. Perfect.